Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel, The Tangled Treasures. Today I have part 2 of the TEMU Haul unboxing. This part, it will be the diamond painting. This is take 2 because I originally recorded the video and for some reason it didn't load. So we are here with take 2. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, please consider subscribing. Your support means everything for me. And let's get to it. So these, again, is from a TEMU haul. If you missed the first part, you can go check out my other videos. The other part, the part 1 is a cross stitch. This will be the diamond painting haul. I didn't get a lot. It's only 3 diamond paintings and an accessory. So, like I said, I didn't find anything that really appealed to me when it came to diamond painting. I paid all of this with my own money. This was not sponsored. So let me open up this one. This here is, and you probably have seen this before. So these go underneath your crafting table or desk, wherever you're diamond painting, and it holds the diamond painting against the bottom of the desk. So instead of it falling on your lap with the drills on and, you know, rubbing against your legs or however, then this would avoid that. It lifts it up. And that's, I'm working right now on a large diamond painting, and that is kind of a headache where I have the diamond painting laying on my legs, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. All of these items, I'm gonna link it in the description below so you guys can access it. This is a diamond painting that comes with a frame. This is My Melody theme, if you can see it. Isn't it cute? My girls just love My Melody. So I got this kit. It was inexpensive. It wasn't, I want to say it was less than $5. And it comes with a frame and everything. So here is the kit. And look at the drill field. Really clear. And it has 10 colors. So that's cute. This could be finished in a day or two. It doesn't take long. And this is it should be poured glue. And let me just check the sticky. The sticky's good. This is cute. Yeah, this could definitely be finished in one day. So it comes with a standard toolkit. And these are the colors. There is no dust whatsoever. They look really, really good. Look at that. And I call these a train. And with this many colors, you can definitely finish right away. It doesn't take long. And then, like I said, it comes with a little frame. So once you're done, you would insert your picture in here. And let's see, what's this? You would insert your picture here and then slide this back in and have it as a picture frame. I thought that was really, really cute. Let me see if I can put this in here back. I don't want to struggle on camera and have you see me struggle, but it lines up nicely. I know it does because I have bought one in the past and it works. But let me put this away and I will be right back. Okay, before I put this away, you actually don't slide it. It actually just snaps in place. So I wanted to show you this before I put it away. I forgot that it just snaps. So you just do that and it just snaps in place. There you go. And there you have it. You can do this, you can do like that. And this is landscape, so it would go like this. Okay. All right, I just wanted to show you that before I put it away. All right, I'll be right back now. All right, the next kit I have is a 40 by 40. And I've had this kit in my cart for a little while. They had it in cross stitch version, but I didn't think that the details would come out so well on the cross stitch. So I purchased this in diamond painting. And like I said, this is a 40 by 40. This has 20 colors. And look at this. Isn't this beautiful for all you dragon lovers out there? So this has no guide circles. The drill field looks really clear. It looks like the color changes happen really nicely. Okay, let's look at the flowers on here. That's pretty. Yeah, I thought this was really, really nice. Let me see. What do you guys think? I think it's a beauty. I love this color palette. It's very warm. Okay, a lot of browns and oranges and cream. You know, dark brown. I don't see any dust in these. And look at that. It comes in a train, so you would want to bag this up. And I think it looks really, really nice. It's the ends are not saturated at all, but it is poured glue. What do you think? I love this. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments. All right, I will put this away and I will be right back. Okay, now this last kit. Now this kit was the first kit that came with the TEMU Haul, but it just arrived like this. And I'm in Florida. It didn't come in mail packager and an envelope, nothing. It just came like this. On the other side, it has my address. So I didn't like the way this came in the mail. Just because I'm in Florida and it's been hot and this is blue. So let me just take this out so I can show you. Now this is the picture there, if you can see it. Isn't it beautiful? This came with a nicer toolkit. It came with purple wax, tweezers, which are, purple wax, tweezers, a pen, baggies, and a squishy. And I think it came with a 6-placer. Yeah, you can see that there. Okay. Put the colors away and let me show you this painting. This is beautiful. This is a 12-inch by 16-inch, 25 colors. It is not serged, and this does have guide circles. So that just, you know, it helps you place the diamond on the drill field. And look at that. I think the colors are gonna mesh well together. I wonder how this is gonna come out with all the colors. I just hope it doesn't look so like saturated, almost like blotchy. But I thought it was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not sure if they had a bigger size. But yeah, I love this one. And these are the colors. Now this code matches the code on the kit. So right? The ZHY056, yep. So you know that these colors go with this kit. And they already come backed up. So here you go. Look at that. They look really good. They don't look dusty or anything like that. Look at that. All right, I will get everything together and I'll be right back. All right, my friends, well, that is all I have for you today. Please let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about these? Did you like them? Do you want to see more diamond paintings like this? Let me know. Let me know what your likes are. If you have anything similar from Temu, or if you found any other items that are similar, because sometimes they have similar kits too. But again, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me, and wherever you are, please take care of each other, and until next time, keep on crafting. Bye.